In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ElevenLabs in n8n. If you're new to n8n or ElevenLabs, don't worry. We're going to go through each step together so that by the end of this video, you'll be all set up and ready to harness the power of ElevenLabs right within your workflows. Let's get started. First, we need to access your n8n workflow. So, fire up n8n and from your dashboard, open an existing workflow that you want to integrate with ElevenLabs. Don't have one yet? That's completely fine. You can also create a new workflow specifically for this setup, but for this demonstration, we'll continue with a pre-existing one to keep things straightforward. Once you've got your workflow open, it's time to incorporate the ElevenLabs node. To do this, look to the left of your screen where you'll find the node panel. Using the search bar at the top, type ElevenLabs. As soon as you see it, click to add it to your workflow canvas. You'll now see it appear alongside any other nodes you might have in your setup. The ElevenLabs node is your bridge to tap into the capabilities that the ElevenLabs API offers, making it a crucial part of this connection process. With the node ready on your canvas, we must move on to the credential setup. Click on the ElevenLabs node and you'll see an option to create a new credential. Go ahead and click on Create New Credential. This is an essential step, as providing the right credentials allows n8n to authenticate and communicate with ElevenLabs securely. Moving forward, you'll need to select the ElevenLabs API from the list of available credential types. It's important to select the correct option, as this ensures that the communication channel established is specific to ElevenLabs. Choosing the wrong API could lead to miscommunication or outright failure to connect, so double-check that you've selected ElevenLabs API before progressing. Now this is where you'll need your ElevenLabs API key. If you haven't already obtained one, head over to your ElevenLabs account to generate your API key. This key is what allows the two systems to talk to each other. Copy the API key and be sure to keep it secure. Think of it like a password that grants access to the powerful tools of ElevenLabs. With your API key safely copied, come back to your n8n credentials window and paste it into the designated field. This is the moment where you tie everything together. Don't rush it, as any errors in this step could prevent the connection from working. Finally, once you've pasted your API key, hit Save to finish the credential creation process. You've now successfully linked ElevenLabs to your n8n workflow. At this point, you should be ready to start using ElevenLabs features within the n8n environment, adding enhanced functionality and more automation power to your workflows. And there you have it. Setting up ElevenLabs in n8n is a straightforward process, but it's the kind of connection that can significantly expand what you do within your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy automating.